Question 21, JAM 2024, past question, mathematics. How do score in 5 subjects in an examination are 85, 84, 83, 86, and 87? Calculate the standard deviation. This is a question on statistics. So we just need to remember our formula for standard deviation. So once you remember that, you substitute in your formula, you substitute what you have inside the formula, then get the result. So we go by first writing the formula. The formula of standard deviation is equal to square root of sigma x minus bar x all squared all divided by n. So this is one of the formula. We have two of this kind of formula. And then because this is a set of numbers like 85, 84, it's not a frequency distribution. So this formula is the best. Assuming it's a frequency distribution, if it is presented, if the data is presented in form of table, then the formula will change. So, but for now, this is what will best give us our answer. First, let's interpret what we have. This is sigma, that is summation of whatever you have next to it. So you take the mean, this is bar x or x bar. So you take the mean of the scores given, then subtract the mean from each of the score, then square your results for each of the score, then sum it up. After that, divide by n and take the square root. Let's start by taking the mean. Bar or x bar will be equal to sigma x all over n, since it is a set of number. So the same n that we have here should be the same n here. So sigma x, add each of the score, that is 85 plus 84 plus 83 plus 86 plus 87, all divided by n, which is everything is 5. So let us add this. After adding that, then we get our mean. So that is 85 plus 84 plus 83 plus 86 plus 87. Everything is 425. 425 divided by 5. So divide this by 5. So you get 85 as the mean. So we are not done yet. So we take the square roots of everything. SD will now be square root of, let me form a big square root. So I will subtract each of the score. I will subtract the mean from each of the score and sum it up. So that's the meaning of this. So each of the scores, starting with the first one, I will have 85 minus the mean, which is 85. Square it, plus the next one, which is 84 minus 85. Square that also, plus the next score, which is 83 minus the mean, which is 85. Square that also, then add 2. The next score after that will be 86 minus 85. Square that also, plus the last one, which is 87 minus 85. Square that also, then all divided by total number, which is n. So the next thing is to simplify what we have here. So let's go. I can clear the top off. We clear it off. So from here, I'm going to have standard deviation equal to, I still have my square root there. Still have my square root. So what is 85 minus 85? This is 0 squared, which is still 0. This is 84 minus 85. That is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power 2. That will just give me positive 1. So all of the answer, no matter what, whether negative or positive, since there is square outside the bracket, if you turn it to positive. Next, 83 minus 85, that's 2. That's minus 2. Minus 2 squared will give me 4. Plus the next one, which is 86 minus 85, that's 1. 1 squared, that will still give me 1. Plus the last one, which is 87 minus 85, that's 2. 2 squared, that will give me 4. All divided by 5. So the next thing, SD will be equal to 0 plus 1. That is 0. That's 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, that is 10. Oh, sorry. 1, 5, 6, 10. That's just 10. 10 divided by the total of everything, which is 5. So the answer is 2.0. So that means we need to take our square root. We still have square root on top. So square root of 2. So we need to take the square root of 2 to get our final answer. Square root of 2 is 1.41, 1.41, 4142, and so on. But approximately that will be 1.4. Check the option. That's option A. Thank you.